Hello, we are Team 30. The case study that we have been working on is the Fitness and Wellness Place, and this is our walkthrough. My name is Sasha Thomas, and I will start the first part. So first, this is our landing page. It mostly serves to bring the member to either the products or the login page. So first, I will go to the products page. In the products page, it lists the prices of all the services that Fitness and Wellness Place offers. This fulfills use case 602, which is knowing the standard price of all of these services. If a member wishes to subscribe to a service, first they click the sign up button. They are then prompted to log into their account. I will note that there is no backend currently connected to the website, so these logins are not real. But if it was, they would enter their username and password and click login. They would then be taken to their account where it also lists their current plan. If the member wishes to add a new service, they would first click on the Purchase New Services button. This would give them a modal, which gives options of different services that they are not currently subscribed to. And so if the member would like to subscribe to the fitness trainer plan, they would select fitness trainer plan checkbox and click on subscribe to these services. They would then click OK. And the website would thank them for their purchase, and they would now be registered for that service. This fulfills specifically use case 401 and 402, which is related to purchasing the top member plan, which is this one. Lastly, from here, after the user logs in, they are able to edit their account information by typing in the new information that they want the database to reflect, and then hitting enter. This fulfills use case 503, which is customers should be able to edit their information through the website. I will now hand it off to Sion, who will talk about the employee portal.
So, hello, my name is Sion Kim. I'm gonna talk about part two. So part two, we will show how employees will use the employee portal and manage club services and member services. First, we will click on login on the top right corner, and then click on employee portal in order to log in as an employee. And an employee will type in their username and the password to log in. So first, for the use cases 101 and 102, which are the system should identify and notify debtors. And if the manager goes to the debt on the dashboard, the managers will be able to see the members who have not paid their dues. And this also leads to use case 801 and 802, which are be able to identify members that are delinquent. And we listed Mike as a delinquent member because he damaged a rowing machine in one of the centers. And the next use cases we will talk about are 1001 and 1002, which are managers should have oversight on membership information. And if you go to club services and member services on the dashboard, you will see the members. And if you click on, since the centers will provide discounts, managers will be able to request discounts by clicking on the button on the gear button. And then if you click on the request discount, if you click on it, managers will be able to enter a discount amount and then request it. And other functions will be update information and delete the users. And I will hand it to Patrick for part 3.
Thank you, Sion. My name is Patrick Taylor, and we are going to go over part 3, which is consolidate into one database member upgrade, and then reports generated by both managers and employees. So to begin with, the fitness club was utilizing about 4 or 5 different systems before they started this, before we upgraded their system into one. So this combines all the functions that they had in their other systems for membership, um, financial information, and then gives it a nice, easy dashboard with a back end that will allow everyone from the managers at higher headquarters to the employees at the clubs to be able to take a look at the database and be able to find employee information and the membership information. So for membership upgrade, so we are going to go ahead and take a look at use case 501 and 502. So the first thing that we're going to do, we are in the employee portal. So we're going to go ahead and click on Club Services. And then we're going to go over to the Member Upgrade button. After we click on that, we're going to go ahead and take a search for our prospects, and then hit enter. And then we're going to click on the button for transfer to member. After filling out their information for the new member and securing their credit card information and their address, we're going to go ahead and hit transfer prospect. And after we do that, we'll see a message bar come across. It will say success if it was successfully done. And then it will tell us that the prospect was successfully transferred to a member. For our use case 302, as a club manager, I need the system to take over drafting reports from employees as they often make typing mistakes and misreport. So again, we're going to go into our employee portal. We're going to click on reports. And then we're going to click on the create report button. This will give a list of reports that are available for the employee to make. So we're going to go ahead and click the attendance to find out how many people came to the club today and hit generate report. Now, of course, this is not connected to backend, so we are not going to be able to go ahead and print the report. But if we wanted to print the report or download the report, we would click on the appropriate button and then hit OK. For part 4 of our walkthrough, Ryan's going to take it from here.
Thank you, Patrick. My name is Ryan Rudd, and I will be taking over the use cases 701, 601, and 1101, and these will all take place in the Financial Managers portal. So if we can go there now, you can see the financial dashboard. And firstly, I'll cover 701 and 601, which is both the consolidation of financial data and the standardization of the data across clubs respectively. So first, we need to go to the Income Expenses tab on the left side of the screen just by clicking it. And from here, you can filter by region with the region button on the left, or filter by country with the country on the left. And the date and type of data are all options. Finally, you can change the club region income with the green button on the right or the red X to delete the club if it is no longer in service, and finally view or print all of it. 702 and 701 are all of this in one screen, as it was all over the place in the previous, and 601 is the fact that you can set the price equal to all in the change prices, which is the left button under it. And here we have 1101 to submit price change requests. You can see each product that was on the products page and their description, as well as their price. So with the click of the green button, you'll be able to change the price. You can just enter the amount that you want to change it to, hit submit, hit confirm, and then on the main site, it'll change the price. And that was our final use case for our project. This is the conclusion. And yeah.